Good. Snip here. If you think it's not round enough, you can rub it a little like this. Put this carton inside that filling carton slightly. Rub it evenly. And then here's the thread. We're going to take out the sewing needle. Long line. Don't pull too tight. If you pull it too tight, he will get involved in this corner. After that, we can just cut it. Then we hook the eyes and the eye of the wing and the hook of the wing are the same. That is to say, the eyes have an extra circle of the main color of this introduction. It's all the same size and hook. Then I just take this purple and hook a wing. Then everyone ticks the boxes in this way. This eye and the rest of the wings. Here I will briefly talk about. Because we started with this circular stitch. Already said. Right. Left hand winding. Then pinch. Draw the line. Cross the circle again. Well, we're inside this coil. There are 6 ticks here. 6 short needles. 1. For the second novice, buckle up at the first stitch here. 3, 4, 5, 6. Tension. Remove the buckle. In our first stitch here, draw. This needle must be pulled tight. Standing stitch. Then we crochet 2 short stitches in each stitch. Thread it in and place this thread over the top of the crochet hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hook 2 short stitches in each stitch. Put this thread on top of the crochet hook. Put on crochet hook. Well, there is almost a lap like this. We don't care about the line behind us. Cut off. Still pull it out. In the third circle, 1 short stitch and 1 short stitch plus stitches. A short needle, a short stitch, a short needle, a short stitch. Novices must put a mark on the first stitch. Buckle. Well, it's still the same here. The first needle is pulled out. Pull it out and this thread. We're still going here from the first stitch. Go from the back to the front and hook this thread to the back. When hooked to the back, you can look at it like this. There is a pair here. Let's pull the knot back. Once you see it, it will be flat without this place. Then we follow the same method. Here if the line is cut shorter. Cut too short like mine. Then we'll go inside first. Dress like this. Do you want a long line, right? Wear it first and then this real ass is here. Take this thread. Wear in. Pull over. Good. If so, you can cut this. Up. Then we follow the same method like this. Hook 2 wings. Then you need to tick the white. Also hook to pieces. After the 2 pieces are hooked up, let's draw a circle. In the case of extraction, insert the needle from whichever needle you want. Get out our purple thread. It is the main color line. Put this thread under us. Inside hook line. Set on crochet hook. Don't leave the thread at the back too short. Then we don't draw lines like this now. After hooking up, we're going to put the needle in the next stitch. Hook out. Don't pull to tie here. You see, I'm like this after hooking the line, then lifted it up. And then to the next stitch. Draw the line. Then ray needle. Put this thread on top of our crochet hook. Draw the line. Okay, let's do the next needle. This thread is placed under the crochet hook again. This is also a long line. Long line. Insert the needle and place it on top of the crochet hook. Then ray needle. Hold down under the crochet. Nice to see. In this way, we are leading the circle. The circle of the eye. Don't be too tight. What if it's too tight? This disc, he rolls up like this. Then I just want to make him more even. If you want him to roll up like this. It's a bit 3-dimensional, so you can tighten it up. If you want him to be even, the pulling circle must not be too tight. Well, after the drawing round is over, make this line a little bit longer. We're going to pull it out. Then do a finishing touch. In the end, we also use this. Suture needle. This needle eye is relatively small. Good. Then let's take a look here. After the last needle is drawn, the last pin is connected to the first pin. Where to the first? The inside of the V of the needle passes through flatly. Then thread it through the middle of the last stitch. Should be clear. This way it's done. Then the long line is the same. Just walk through it. Because ours needs to be pasted on the main body. So what about the thread in the back? Trim it a little so it doesn't show. Good. Then we take out nose colour. For the nose, it will be tighter. It's a loop with 4 stitches. Then on the second lap, it will be more difficult to hook. Let's take a look. Still the same ring. Pass the hook line in from the bottom of the press. Let's do a for stitch. Here, everyone put this. Loosen the loop on the crochet hook a little bit. Otherwise, it will be really difficult to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. After for stitches here, we pull this loop tight. Then because of its small number of stitches, it can't make a circle. So let's do this first. Get it together first.